Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to enable the feature that lets people find your X formerly Twitter account using your phone number, all from your PC with the latest update. This is a quick way to make it easier for friends and contacts to discover you on X, as long as you've added your phone number to your account. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation bar. Here, you'll see the More icon. Click it to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage everything related to your account's privacy and security. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. This section is all about controlling how others can find and interact with you on X. Now, find and select Discoverability and Contacts. This is the area where you can adjust who can find your profile using your contact information. On this page, you'll see an option labeled, Let people who have your phone number find you on X. To enable this, simply check the box next to it. Once you do, anyone who has your phone number saved in their contacts and uses X will be able to find your profile more easily. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've made your account more discoverable to friends and contacts who have your phone number. Remember, your actual phone number isn't made public. This just helps people who already have your number connect with you on X. If you ever want to change this setting, you can return to Discoverability and Contacts and uncheck the box at any time. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a hand navigating the latest X updates. See you next time.